kanta ng BINI nasa top most viewed song. The latest update of BINI as they bloom wherever they go. BINI hard work is finally recognized by the achievements of the most viewed song on many of these platforms. Dahil patok na patok ito sa masa at mapapaindak ka talaga sa kanilang mga kanta. On June 7, 2024, kasali ang BINI sa top 10 sa Mix Global at Spotify. Sa top 10 Mix Global, number 1 ang Salamin Salamin for 15 Days at number 2 ang Patropiko. Sa top 10 ng Spotify, number 1 ang Patropiko, number 3 Salamin Salamin, number 5 Carrera, number 8 Lagi, at number 10 Nanana. Sa Billboard Philippine Song Charts on June 8, 2024, number 1 is Salamin Salamin, number 2 Patropiko, 13 Carrera, at 20 Lagi. So let's continue to support BINI para mas malayo pa ang kanilang marating. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.